What if I told you that the days of spending weeks building a Shopify store are over? In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to create a high converting Shopify store using AI in just a few minutes. I've tested every AI store builder on the market, wasted thousands of dollars on tools that didn't work. But finally, I discovered a new AI tool that actually delivers results. And I'm sharing my exact process with you. By the end of this video, you have a professional Shopify store that's ready to make sales. Complete with optimized product pages, high quality AI generated product photos and profit boosting bundle offers. So if you're ready to skip the learning curve and build a store that actually converts, stay with me for the next 20 minutes. The first step in creating your AI powered Shopify store is signing up for a Shopify account. For that, you want to click the link in the description or search for buyhassle.com/Shopify and hit search. Using this link, it allows you to try out Shopify for free for the first 3 days and then 3 months for $1 per month. Here you then want to fill in your email address and click start free trial. On this page, Shopify will ask you to sign up with your email address, so I'll click sign up with email and fill in my details and make a password. Then we click create Shopify account right here. And on this page, Shopify will ask you some questions about your business. These include questions like, are you already selling? What's your current revenue? And what industry will you be operating in? Now you can answer all these questions for now, but for this tutorial, I'll click skip right here at the bottom of the page. Then on the last page, this is where you choose your plan. As shown before, you get 3 days for free and then $1 per month for the next 3 months, which is a really good deal, especially as Shopify is normally around $30 per month. So I'll choose the basic plan right here and fill in all my information and subscribe for $1. So great, now you successfully created your Shopify account and you should be looking at your Shopify admin dashboard. Now this is the control center of your entire store. On the left side, you'll see a sidebar with various options like home, orders and products. And we'll be using many of these options throughout this tutorial. Now that we have our Shopify account set up, the next step is to install the AI Store Builder that will do most of the heavy lifting for us. And for this tutorial, we'll be using Atlas AI Store Builder, which in my testing has proven to be the most effective AI tool for creating Shopify stores that actually convert. Look at the left sidebar on your Shopify dashboard and find the option that says apps and then click add apps. On this apps page, all the way down, it says visit Shopify App Store. Click on that and this will take you to the Shopify App Store. Now here we can find thousands of apps to enhance our store functionality. Then at the top you'll see a search bar, click this and type in Atlas AI. Then we click on this builder and now on the apps page you'll see information about the app, features, the pricing and reviews. We click on install to install the app on our store. Now Shopify will ask you for confirmation that you indeed want to install this app, which we want, so we click install right here. The app will now be installed on your Shopify store and this might take a few seconds. So great, Atlas has now been installed and we are currently on the dashboard from where we will do most of the work. Now before we start building our store, we need a product to sell. Now the product you choose will be the foundation of your entire store, so it's important to choose wisely. Now we can choose any of these sources right here to make our store, but for this tutorial I'm going to choose AliExpress, but you can also choose Amazon, Alibaba or other sources. So open a new tab on your browser and then go to aliexpress.com. Now product research on AliExpress is a completely different tutorial, and for this demonstration I will use this portable blender which I found on the site. Once you've found your product, you want to go to the top URL and copy this. And from here with the link, let's go back to Shopify, to Atlas and then paste in the link right here. Since we found our product on AliExpress, we selected on this, but if it's something else, you select that one. But I'm gonna select AliExpress and click generate store. Now already the AI will start making the template for a complete website around this product. And this process usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, it's been a minute and as we can see it's almost done and it's now finalizing the store. Okay, then once the process is complete, you'll see a screen showing the images that the AI has imported from AliExpress. Now you can select which image you want to include to your store by just pressing on that, and I also want to include this one. For now, let's just select all of them by making sure each of them is highlighted. Then if you scroll down, you'll also see an option to upload your own images if you have them. We'll skip this for now since we'll be creating high quality AI generated photos later in this tutorial as well. After selecting the images, click the continue button at the bottom of the screen. Now we're in the customization phase of creating your store. On the right side of the screen, you can see a preview of your product page. Now take a moment to look what the AI has created in just 2 minutes time. It's really good. This is basically already a fully functional product page, which we only have to edit slightly. Then on the top side of the screen, you'll see various tabs that allow you to customize different aspects of your store. Let's go to each one of them step by step to make our store perfect. So first we're on the colors tab. Here we can choose a color scheme for our store. Now the color you choose should reflect your brand. And for a store selling portable blenders, a clean, modern look with blue accents would work well. So I click on Cool and Glacier from the color presets, but you can add whatever you want right here and even add custom colors if you want to right here. Then next up, click on the product tab. And right here we can edit all details of our product and the store. So let's make the following changes. Now for the store name, we can go to store information, and for me it now says Nutri-Vibe, and I want to change this to Blend Go. And for the product title, we can go right here, and I think for me, Fresh Blend Portable Juicer is already a pretty good name, but you can also edit this if you want. And then of course the price, so right now it's set to almost $5, and I'm gonna change this to $29.99. Then we have the taglines, as you can see right here. I think they look pretty good. You can remove them if you want as well. And same goes for the product icons, as we can see right here. These are the ones that show up right here on the preview. And for the product description right here in the drop down as well, I think AI did a pretty good job already, but if you want to change anything right here, you can do it easily in this section. I would just recommend you to go through all of these elements right here and how that shows in the sections on the preview, so you can make this exactly how you want it to be. And after making all these changes, click on the next tab, which is reviews. And here you can see the customers' reviews that the AI has generated right here. Now these reviews look realistic and help build trust with potential customers. They can edit these reviews if you want, but the AI generated ones are usually already quite good. Next up, we have the FAQ page. Right here, you can add or edit frequently asked questions about your product. Well, the AI has likely already created some questions already, but you might want to add some more based on what you know about the product. For example, you could answer questions about sizing, material, or shipping. Then once you've done that, finally, we click on the homepage tab. And here we can customize the store's homepage layout and content. Now by default, Atlas creates a homepage that shows the product just like the product page, but you can make adjustments here as well to better align your vision for the store. Now take your time to go through each tab and make adjustments until you're satisfied with how your store looks. Now remember that this is your store, so make it reflect your brand and vision. Then once you're happy with all the customization right here, click the continue button at the bottom of the screen. Now you'll be taken to a page where you need to select the plan for the Atlas AI store builder on your site. The app offers several options, the basic, the pro and the expert plan. Now for this tutorial, I really recommend the pro plan. And yes, it costs more, but the additional features like the upsells, but mainly the AI product photos, are a game changer. Now again, just like Shopify, we have a 3-day free trial to see if you even like it without any payment to you. However, if you feel like the basic plan or the expert plan fits you better, you can choose that as well. So I'll press the 3-day free trial button right here on the pro plan. And then here you need to fill in your payment information to start the trial. Now, if you later decide that you don't like this software, make sure to cancel it within the first 3 days. So you have 3 days for free. The AI Store Builder will now import your store into your Shopify account. This process usually takes a minute or two as well. Then once the import is complete, you'll see a button that says View Your Store, so we click that. Now it will take us back to our Shopify dashboard and specifically to the theme section under Sales Channel. Now in the themes library, you'll see a new theme that says Atlas Theme. This theme contains all the customization we just made on the AI Store Builder. It's currently not published yet, which means it's not live on the store yet. To make the theme live, we click Publish right here and then hit Publish once again. Now as you can see, Atlas Theme is the active theme for your store. To make additional customizations on the store, we click Customize right here on the theme. Then when we first enter the theme editor, we might notice that the store doesn't appear properly on the right side of the screen right here in the preview. And this is normal, and you first need to enable all cookies right here. So we click on all cookies, hit allow, and then we want to press allow once again, right here, and click allow again. And then click allow again, and there we go. Next up, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar that says app embeds right here. So we click that. Then you'll see an option for Atlas with a toggle switch next to it. Click on the toggle switch to turn it on. Then now we should see a store appear correctly on the right side of the screen. If that didn't happen, go to the top right here and click on homepage. And as we can see, right now it does appear. Now let's make sure our store looks good on mobile, since that's how most people will view it. So we go to the top right corner and click on the mobile view right here. And as you can see, now it changes it to a phone. Then from here, let's go to the product page, as that is what we are going to focus on right now. So go to the top menu again and then click on products and then go to default product. And as we can see right now, the product shows with the page that we created. From here, we can go back to sections and now we can make additional adjustments as well on this page. Then on this page, we can make additional adjustments as well. If you want to remove sections, you can click the trash icon right here for specific buttons, or you can also add sections and blocks. I would recommend to keep it how we made it in the AI editor, as that is already pretty good. Now, I would recommend you to take your time to customize the product page until you're happy with how it looks. And don't worry about these image placeholders yet that you can see down here, for example, as we'll show you how to fill this up with AI generated pictures in just a bit. Then once you're satisfied with your product page, let's also check other pages that the AI has created, like the cart page. So we can go to the menu again, press this and go to the cart page. And as you can see, this is how that will look like when customers are trying to order the product. Now for each page, make sure the content is accurate, well written and aligned with your brand. And the AI does a good job of creating the initial content, but you might want to personalize it further. And once you're happy with all the pages on your site, go to the top right corner and click save. Then go all the way to the left of the screen and hit exit right here. This brings us back to the main dashboard of our site. Now that we have the basic store set up, let's create some high quality product photos using the AI product photo generator. This is one of the most powerful features of the Atlas AI Store Builder and can dramatically improve your conversion rate. First, let's go to apps and then click Atlas AI Store Builder. In here, look for AI product photos right here and press on it. When you first access the AI product photo generator, you'll see a tutorial right here at the side of the screen that explains how to use this tool. So you can watch this video to get a better understanding of how the tool works. Now the AI product photo generator works by training an AI model on your existing product photos and then using that model to generate new high quality photos. So we can click start create now here. And here we can see all the requirements. As you can see at the top, we can see examples of pictures that are good, and then at the bottom pictures that aren't good. Then from here we can click next, and as you can see, it gives additional training right here about what works and what doesn't. And the main takeaway here is that text on the images don't work at all. So we can click next again. And then as you can see, it says training speed. And here we see three options. So 30 minutes, 1.5 hours and 3 hours. And the first one isn't really recommended. It's faster, but produces lower quality results. And obviously the 3 hours is what I recommend and produces way better quality results. So then we can click next, next, next again, and then click train your AI model. And now we need to give the model a name. So I give it Portable Blender and then click on the product photos from the Shopify product from AliExpress. I'm gonna select the product and hit select right here again. Now it automatically adds the products from the page and we can select what we want to upload to the AI. Now, if you have additional photos of the product that weren't imported from AliExpress, you can also source them from Google. You can upload them right here by clicking the upload image button and then selecting your files from your computer. Now, I would recommend to add better pictures than this, but again, for the demonstration, I will just select all of them. But most likely this one, as it shows text, this one and this one would not be qualified as good pictures. And for the training speed, I'm gonna click 30 minutes, but obviously you want to click 3 hours and then we click start training our model. Then here in the planned usage, it's gonna cost 15 credits, so I'll hit start training model. Now the AI will now begin training a model based on your product photos. So this will either take 30 minutes or 3 minutes, depending on the option you selected. And you don't need to stay on this page. You can go through the entire website, do other things as well. Just leave this running in the background. Okay, now it's been 30 minutes, and when we return to the AI product photo section in the Atlas dashboard right here, you should see your train model where it's saying training status succeeded. So right now we can click the actions button right here, and now we can start making AI generated photos from our product. Now on this page, you'll see a field right here where you can enter a prompt for generating photos. Now the prompt is a description of what you want the AI to create, and in my opinion, to get the best results, I would say use the AI generated prompt. So we're gonna select that. Now the AI will generate a detailed prompt based on our product, and right now it's done, and this is what it came up with. The prompt will include information about the design, the color, the background, the lighting, and everything included. For me, I gave this one. You can edit this prompt if you want to change any details, but the AI suggested prompt usually works really well. Once you're satisfied, we can go to the button right here that says generate now and press it. Right now, we need to approve the credit charge of 4 credits and hit generate now again. The AI will now generate several product photos based on our prompt and our input, and this process also usually takes a couple of minutes. As you can see right now, the options here appear where they are generating the photos. And there we go, now all of the photos have been generated. So now we can look through them and select the one that we like by selecting them like this. Now you might want to choose photos that show different angles or different environments to give customers a comprehensive view of our product. I think these ones look really good, and after selecting them, we can hit Save Selected Image right here. Now we want to scroll to the top of the page and go to Saved Images right here, and here we can see the images that we have made. Now we want to select them and click on Download Selected Images. Now you want to select a folder on your PC and then hit Save on your computer. Now that we've done that, let's add these high quality photos to our product page. So we want to go back to our homepage on Shopify, so we click the logo, and then from here we can go to products, and then here the product should appear. So here we can go to the product that we added, and then when we scroll down, we can see the media of this product, and as you can see, these are all the pictures. And to upload one of the AI generated photos, we can click this button and then select the photo right here from our PC. Then here on the folder where you save them on your PC, we can click open, and now it's going to be uploaded to our page. Once this is done, we can click done, and right now as you can see, the image has been uploaded. Now you can repeat this entire process to generate more product photos with different backgrounds, angles and environments, however you like. Now one of the most effective ways to increase your average order value is by offering product bundles. The Atlas AI Store Builder makes this easy with its bundle feature. So go back to the Atlas AI on the app section, and then you want to click on product bundle and create bundle. On this page, click create bundle right here to create your first bundle. You'll be now taken to the creation page here. We can see we can choose any of the pre-made bundles here, or we can start from scratch. Now I really like the volume discount one, where it says offers increasing discounts when customers buy multiple units of the same product. So buy 2 get 10% off, buy 3 20% off, and so on. Now you can choose any of the other bundles as well, like buy X get Y for free or create from scratch, but because I like this one, I'm gonna select use this template. Now we need to give it a name, and this is just for our own reference. As you can see, customers can't see it, but I'm gonna leave it like this. Next up, we can configure the title. Now it says buy more, save more. I think that's already good, but if you want to change this, go ahead and feel free. You can also customize the add to cart button right here where it says add to cart to, for example, get this deal. Next up, you need to choose which product this bundle will target, and you have 3 options: all products, a specific collection, or specific products. Since we only have one product added to the store, I'm going to select specific products and then select products, and then I'm going to select the portable blender and hit add. And as you can see, this is how that will look in the preview. Buy 1, we get 1 option with 2 colors, with 2 we got 2, 3 we got 3, and so on. And by default, as you can see, the bundle creator set up 3 offers: buy 1, buy 2, 3, 5, 10%, 20%, and 30%. Now feel free again to edit this however you want. It's very easy to edit this in these sections right here. After customizing your offer, we can scroll down and click the color tab right here at the top of the page. Here you can customize the colors and appearance of the bundle widget to match your store's design. So as I'm creating a blue design, I'm gonna change this to blue right here. Then once we're done with all of this, we can change many more colors right here in this bundle offer, and we can even change the style of the text right here. Just customize everything however you want. Then once you're satisfied, you can go to publish bundle right here. Then next we'll see a confirmation message that the bundle has been published successfully. Now we only need to add a bundle widget to our product page, so we can click take me to my store. Then once we're in this dashboard, we click customize right here, and this will again open the theme editor. So from here we want to go to the product and then go to the default product that we made. And now right here we want to add the bundle. So roughly at the add to cart section, I'm gonna select the plus icon right here, and now I'm gonna select apps, and I'm going to the Atlas Builder and press that button. Then once we've done that, as you can see, it's going to load. So now as you can see, the bundle offer has added to our product page. As you can see, it's kind of glitchy. That's probably because I'm rushing quite through it and it still needs to load. Normally when I tested it and with other cases, it shows like the preview like here, which is nice and clean. Now since we now have the bundle option that is functioning as an add to cart button, we can now remove the original add to cart button by clicking on this and then clicking the trash icon right here. Then after making these changes, go to the top right and click save. Then next up, we need to set shipping rates for our store. So we want to click the exit button right here, which brings us back to the Shopify dashboard. From here, we want to go all the way down and click on settings in the bottom left corner and then go to shipping and delivery right here. Then on the shipping and delivery page, you'll see shipping zones right here. We see general shipping rates and rates for domestic and international. Let's start by setting up shipping for the domestic zone. So click on the domestic zone right here. So we click our shipping rates. And then right here, we can see the domestic shipping zone for me for the United States. To add a rate to this zone, click add rate right here and then select what you want. I'm going to select a flat rate. I'm going to set a shipping rate of 1 to 2 business days and a price which is free. So I'll leave it like this and then click done. As you can see, it's now been added, and now I can remove all the existing rates that are shown by default. Now in case you don't have free shipping, you can obviously also fill in the price right here of what you want to charge for shipping. And here we can change the shop location, for example. Once we've done here, we can click save down here. So we now done this for domestic. So right now we can do the same for international right here by clicking add rate and add delivery. So we can now do the same by doing add to international by clicking add rate and filling in the same information right here. After setting up all your shipping rates, you can click save down here. Now before we can accept orders with the store, we also need to set up a payment processor. Now in this settings tab of our Shopify store again, we want to go to payments right here. Then on the payments page, you'll see various payment providers that you can set up. For most stores, I'd recommend Shopify Payments. Then on the payments page, you'll see various payment providers right here that you can set up. For most stores, Shopify Payments is by far the easiest to set up as it's directly built in and has quite low fees. So I would click complete setup right here. To set up Shopify Payments, click the complete. Now here you'll be taken to a form where you need to provide information about yourself and your business. So you click this button. Now you need to enter information like your full legal name, date of birth, banking information, business information, all of that. I can't really help step by step here as this is a demonstration account, but it's really straightforward and just follow the steps. After filling out all of this information, click the submit button to complete your Shopify payment setup. Now it's a good idea to offer multiple payment options to make it as easy as possible for customers to buy from your store. At minimum, I recommend setting up Shopify Payments and if available, also PayPal. And there we have it, a complete step-by-step guide to building a Shopify store using AI in 2025. If you're testing many products on niches at once, this can be really helpful to make new stores fast. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more e-commerce and dropshipping tutorials. And if you have any questions or need help with your store, drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to assist you. Again, to use Shopify for $1, use the link in the description as these links also support the channel. With that being said, have an amazing rest of your day.